It's not like my favorite thing to do. All right, what's good? Hey, John, what's going on, guys? Hello, hello, welcome, 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 welcome. We finally got some movement. This was Cracker Barrel from yesterday. I mean, out of nowhere. It's not the stock that I thought I was gonna trade, but we're gonna go right into it today. We're not gonna yap a ton. I'm gonna show the difference real quick between TRADEGPT and ChatGPT. Hello, hello. Echo. Ooh, that's not good. Let me see. Let me fix this. What's good? What's good? What's good? Echo still? Am I still echoing? Am I echoing? Cracker Barrel GPT. Yeah, I mean, basically, that's what this is. Cracker Barrel GPT. Okay, I'm gonna promote stream. Give me 2 seconds, and we're gonna get going. I'm so stoked, man. I mean, we got movement in the market. Cracker Barrel up almost 150% on these option trades. This thing kicked ass. Like I said, you guys can watch my strategy, and you can see kind of what I do every day. I'm not the guy to I'm not the guy just started stream, not stopping till I make 1,000. And then I'm going to post the link here. What's going on? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Still echoing. That's weird. Do I have an echo? Do I have an echo? I'm just hitting my moderator up. If I have an echo, that's no bueno. My audio's fine. Okay. John, I just tried to like refresh the stream or something because sometimes it might be like a connection issue. But like my moderators are saying that my audio is fine. So what's up? What's up there, Eric? What's up, George? Cracker Barrel GPT. Yeah. We're gonna have some fun. This is quite literally what it's all about. This is why I do this thing. So let's have some fun. Market's ripping. Like I said, I mean, I'll start again with another disclaimer. This is not financial advice. These aren't trades for you to go in and follow every trade I make. This is simply my my strategy that I use every single day. I'm up, what is it, 20 grand since the beginning of last week just doing this, and those are days where I've made more than 1,000 a day, and I couldn't be more grateful for the support I've had as I've kind of continued doing this. This has been a ton of fun. I've got to talk to some of you guys. I was on the phone with John yesterday. We're gonna figure out a good strategy for the people who are just kind of starting off with this and kind of getting used to relying on AI for their trading. That's one thing too. You can kind of recognize from this and take from this some value you can get. Yeah, so John, just refresh or something. Just refresh the stream. I just posted on my Instagram story. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, drop a follow, and we'll be good to go. What's going on? You're my favorite trader. Thank you guys. You guys are too kind. I'm gonna kick this thing off, all right, and just go right into it. So we'll take a trade here first. That's the first thing we're gonna do is take a trade, and then after we take a trade, we are going to I'm going to get into the difference here because the market's ripping right now. I'm not going to sit on my ass while we have massive movement in the market. If we go SPY, We're up almost 1% today. So I want to catch this. I want to have some fun. Looks like we're running into a little bit of a retracement here after a big boom in the morning. No problem. No problemo. I know TRADEGPT has my back. It's still going to help me find the best trade to make. And we'll get right into this. I like the stickers we're dropping. Yeah, if you guys are in here, feel free to comment. Let me know. I know a lot of people come in. Oh, hell yeah. Trump's speaking right now. Perfect. I will, we'll tune into Trump's speech and we'll have some fun. So let's begin. I mean, like I said, markets going up today. And so let's do this thing. Cracker Barrel yesterday, that's a freaking phenomenal trade. And like I said, I didn't make the trade. TRADEGPT told me what to do. I didn't specify I wanted to trade on Cracker Barrel. I just said, find me a trade to make. So I'm going to open up a fresh page of TRADEGPT. We're going to hop right in and get this thing going. I'm going to open up my prompt pack here. Use the same prompt I use every single day. Again, these prompts are useless if you are not using an AI that scans through stock market information. If you're using any other AI besides TRADEGPT, you're kicking a dead horse. It doesn't make any sense to ask ChatGPT for a basic options trade because ChatGPT does not give you real-time market data. And I know a good amount of people that are in here are already using TradeAlgo. If you're not using TradeAlgo, that's perfectly fine. Watch what I'm about to do. It's going to blow you away. So we're going to go in here, and I'm going to ask for an in-the-money options trade to make right now. And now I just asked TRADEGPT this. We can all kind of analyze what TRADEGPT tells me to do, and we're gonna hop right in. So good morning, welcome. Why would you kick a dead horse? I don't know. Why would you kick a dead horse? There's no point in kicking a dead horse, right? There's no point in using an AI to find stock market information that doesn't scan through live stock market data. So that's why I'm using, here we go, Nvidia. We got a short call. I'm not too happy with the short call. I want to make this, I mean, you can see what I say here. So we can see what TRADEGPT gave me. It gave me a short call. I don't want a short call. So I'm just going to say make this a simple buy. I do not want to sell any options. So after I go in and ask this, what TRADEGPT is going to do for me is it's just going to find a trade to make despite... that's what I said. Okay, so Nvidia long put. So yeah, it looks like we're going to bet on this small retracement that's happening right now. Regardless, any movement in the market's awesome. And then we also have Trump's speech happening right now. So I want to see if I can find... this looks like I'm on whitehouse.gov. This will be live again shortly. So we'll go in and tune in here in a second, and we'll have some fun. So let's go ahead. I'm going to lock in and pop this in. Nvidia did have a pretty big climb today already, so we might be able to catch this on the way down. I'm not here to analyze too hard. I'm here to make money by following along with what TRADEGPT tells me to do. Now, I'm going to timestamp everything. Like I said, I'm here on my brokerage account. This is where I'm at. I'm going to go and place this Nvidia trade now. Here's what we have. So we have a long put, strike price 190, expiration 29th of August, and then we have our entry price at 16 bucks. We have our take profit at 18 bucks, and we have our stop loss at $14. My job now is very, very simple. I'm going to open up my brokerage account. I'm going to go to Nvidia and place this trade. So we're going to go in NVDA. Like I said, you can see me place this. So I'm just going to go over to Nvidia options. Then I'm going to pop in this put. So switch over to puts, and then I am going to, I mean, you can't really see my phone screen. I'm trying to make it so you guys can see. So 14, or no, this is 190 at just around 10, or no, this is my expiration date wrong, 29th of August. Here we go, 29th. And then we'll do our 190 strike. Right there at 14 bucks. Perfect. Okay, cool. We're grabbing this around 15. So I'm going to put a market order, and I'm going to load up on, we'll do 6 grand of these. It's 6,660. That's a great number for me. I love anything that's divisible by 3. That's like my Tesla mindset. So I'm going to pop this in. I'm going to paste my entry right in here so you guys can see exactly what I'm up to, and we'll just kind of proceed. So I just placed it. I just put this in. So Nvidia Short call 192. Now here's my entry on this, or excuse me, my Nvidia put, long put 190. And then I'm guessing this is going to be a faster trade, so I'm going to be kind of monitoring this a little bit heavier. This is my entry here that I just got in, and then we'll go through. I'm going to show you guys the difference between TRADEGPT and TRADEGPT, and we'll have some fun here. So I set my stop loss at just under, so I got in at 15 bucks. Set my stop loss. Let me see here. Uh, 190. Yeah, damn. I'm already up 180 bucks, man. Up 200 bucks. Okay, so this is I'm already making a profit on this trade. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit quicker of a trade. We have Jackson Hole coming up with Jerome Powell, which is going to be badass. So 190 put, guys. You guys see what I'm doing here? You guys see what I'm up to right now? I'm up 3% on this. I'm up 200 bucks. So I bought in $15.10. This is me right now. So you guys just watched me place this trade. I'm up 200 bucks on this already. Bang. Let's keep this going. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna keep refreshing here. Fluctuating right now between 2 and 3%. Perfect. That's okay with me. That's exactly where I want this to be. So my Cracker Barrel call is up 132%. Target. If you guys saw me place Target. Last week, Target's up 60%, because I usually will keep a contract or two. But let's keep this going. Let's keep the momentum riding. Who's playing ball today? TRADEGPT is giving me bad prices on everything. Sometimes that'll happen. What you should do is use the same prompt. I'll paste this prompt in so you guys can use the same exact prompt. Nobody's playing ball today is what George says. Man, I don't have the characters to go in and do this prompt. John, do you have my prompt pack? I can email you this prompt pack if you don't have it. I can just reply to your email you sent me yesterday. Okay, here we go. We've got a live stream of Donald Trump talking. So looks like it hasn't started yet. We'll go through here. Look, I'm watching a YouTube live.
Running hurts.
So
Tai Chi heals, especially after 50.
Three reasons to start Tai Chi workout this summer. In 1 week, you'll see your energy. In 2 weeks, you'll feel your breath. In 3 weeks, you'll have energy, and your wife won't believe your results. Here is the personalized plan of short Tai Chi workouts tailored for beginners over 50. It takes just 7 minutes per day. Beginner friendly and requires no.
I didn't realize that. So this is gonna start soon. Yeah, I didn't realize my audio would come through my computer. Thank you for pointing that out, George. And I understood that. I was watching back my stream yesterday, and every time I go and take my screenshot of my brokerage account, you guys can hear me take that screenshot. So I don't want to flood you guys and shill you guys Tai Chi ads. But once this starts going, I'm gonna mute this so that way when he starts talking, we don't just get a bunch of Donald Trump yap. Let's see here. Yeah, Nvidia bouncing between 1% right now. That's perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. Looks like we're kind of at a standstill on this Nvidia put. Perfectly fine now. That's what this is all about. So, oh, here we go. Now Nvidia's coming back. And I love it. I love it. I love the movement today. So anytime the market's moving like this, I'm having fun. Let's keep this going. Like I said, if you're just tuning in, feel free to say what's up. Let me know where you're tuning in from, what channel of the United States you're watching from. This is Nvidia right now. I'll go through and post my update on this trade. Yeah, I'm bouncing between 3% and 0% return. So yeah, it's a lot of fluctuation here on Nvidia. Baltimore City, Maryland, cool. I love Baltimore. I love Baltimore. Baltimore, Maryland is one of the most beautiful cities on the planet. So let's do another trade. Let's do another trade while we wait here. Let's do another one. So you guys can see, I know a ton of people are joining in right now, and we'll go through. So Nvidia, I'm bouncing between 1% and 3%. I was down for just a second on the trade. Yeah, now I'm up. Now I'm up. So it's fluctuating right now, which is fun, great. I mean, I love a moving market. That's what this is all about. Home of Edgar Allan Poe and the Crab Cake. Can't beat it. Is Edgar Allan Poe from Baltimore? I'm not sure. But regardless, let's do another prompt here. So these are my two from today. The only two trades I've taken live on stream. I crushed it with Cracker Barrel yesterday out of nowhere, man. Cracker Barrel. It's because they changed their logo and then they bounced back up after they fell so much. And that's just an example. Institutions are playing ball everywhere. Yeah, it's giving us another bearish position on Nvidia. That's fine. I mean, if it's giving us the same trade twice in a row, I'll stick with my first trade. I'm not going to go in and force this. Nvidia, yeah, I'm bouncing. Like I said, I'm right here, up 0.66% right now. I just broke 1%, so I'm up. I'm still bouncing between 3 and 1% in profit on Nvidia. I can pull up my profit right now on this, and we'll see what's happening. What I will do too is I'll grab a trade from the tech sector. So Nvidia, I just placed this. You guys can go back and see my entry here. I'll go and show my entry, but this is 190. My put. This is where I'm at right now as we speak. So 0.99%, right? It's fluctuating. It's moving as we speak, right? I was just at 3%, went down a little bit. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. That's the name of the game. It's fluctuation. All right, if I didn't want a market that fluctuated, I would. This is my exact entry, John. This is my exact entry on the video. So 1510. This is what I averaged in at. I got 4 contracts. I spent $6 grand. Is this dude speaking yet? No, he's not. Okay, what AI am I using? I'm using TRADEGPT. I'm using TRADEGPT by TradeAlgo. If I'm going to be trading live, I want an AI that's going to scan through real-time stock market information. I don't want an AI that's not going to do that. Yeah, bouncing back and forth right now. I'm right now. Nvidia just dropped to minus 1%, so it's bouncing. It's bouncing right now. Let's have some fun here. Let's have some fun. Let's keep this going. Yeah, Nvidia's fluctuating right now. Let's do something a little bit different. Let's ask a different kind of question, just based on the entire market as a whole, and then let's do something in the tech sector, and then I'm gonna paste the same prompt in, but I'm gonna add something. I'm gonna add it has to be in the tech sector. And then I'm also just going to say, to not waste any time, I do not want to sell any options. Just give me a simple buy. What about the crab sector? Because the market's fluctuating so much, we might be getting different answers on this. That's why, here we go. We've got a put now. Yeah. 190. This is the same put I was just that I just took. So all it did was change up a little bit. Now it's like I said, there's no AI that's gonna give you the same answers every time. I mean, this is a Nvidia's bouncing. I'm down 2% on this right now. Yeah, puts. Yeah, so we're looking for a retracement on Nvidia. That's what TradeGPT is looking for. I'm holding crabs right now. Okay, seems like a. So let's keep monitoring Nvidia, and we're gonna keep this going. I'm holding. This company is based out of Baltimore City. No, I'm not familiar with CRABZ. I don't think that's an actual company. George has got to be one of my favorite guys in the chat. I'm down 3% on Nvidia right now. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. Because if I stop out here, that's perfectly fine. I just hit the refresh button and I take another trade. So we have this is TRADEGPT is telling me to do puts on Nvidia over and over and over again. So I'm not going to switch this up at all. I'm going to listen to TRADEGPT. That's the point of the stream. If I didn't, do this, I mean, it would be going against what I know. I can go through Trade Algo's dashboard too, and we'll find a trade. Like I said, there's no perfect system or perfect software. I can go and make 20 grand, but I mean, I'm very bullish on today, on making money today. That's what this is all about. I will, I'm going to keep this going. So let's do Nvidia 190 put. Would you think of TRADEGPT like as the Bible? No, I would not. I would not think of it like that. Yeah, I mean, I'm bouncing. I'm at 0% return on Nvidia right now. I'm right here at $15.10. It's starting to climb now. Now we're starting to get a little bit more action. Nvidia's at 177 bucks. A lot of fluctuation, but that's okay. Let's see if Trump's talking yet. No, not yet. Yeah, this is the same trade I just hopped in. So it told me to set my limit at 1665, and I didn't do that. That's definitely why I'm not seeing, and that's why I was able to enter the trade right away. I got in at market 12 Eastern. Okay, so maybe we're mad early. I'm bouncing back on the video here. I'll show what I'm at on the video. So yeah, I'm down right now. I'll show you guys where I'm at on the video. Keep this going. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna hide a trade that's losing, even though if it's only down 2%, I'm not mad about it, right? This is where I'm at. It's bouncing though. I mean, this thing will go to 3% and then back down to -2%. Then it'll go to 5%, back down to -2%. So I'm not necessarily worried about this. We'll keep this. I mean, yeah, I'm not ending stream anytime soon. We're gonna keep this going. Losses are good, right? I mean, I hate it, but okay, now we're back up. Now we're back up on the video. Keep this moving. We'll keep it moving. Made 120 on the 160 call and got out. So you just took the trade that TRADEGPT gave you. Yeah, phenomenal, John. And at the end of the day, I mean, you can understand what's happening here. The market's moving in both directions. So when you have a fluctuating day like today and you're trading as short a term as you are, how did John win and you lost? John got a different trade than me from TRADEGPT. George says, John, you're the GOAT. I did a put, John did a call, and I'm just listening to TRADEGPT. Can you do analysis on MSTR? No. I'm just kidding. I will, but not right now. Let's place another trade because I'm getting kind of irritated with the way how slow Nvidia is moving. I'm at a profit right now, but I'm not. I'm not doing it, John. You're working towards your goal. Your goal was 1,000 a week. All right, my goal's a little bit more aggressive. Market's pumping right now. Powell spoke. Yeah, I might get shit on this put, man. Let's see what TRADEGPT says now. If it gives me a call, it's gonna be hilarious. But no, I mean expected, right? I mean, this is the system that's real-time updating to everything that's happening in the market. Microsoft, so this is bullish. Let's do this Microsoft call. Make this a simple call for me to buy. I didn't realize how twitchy I am on stream until I watched back one of my streams yesterday. And I'm always bouncing around. It looks like I'm on an exercise ball sometimes. Let's do Microsoft. So I'm going to place this now. Microsoft long call 500. And this is 29th of August. And yeah, these prices are crazy. So I'm just going to take this call at $2. The call's at $2. Sometimes TRADEGPT will get confused. It's normal. There's no perfect system, but I just popped this Microsoft 29 of August $500 call. No, damn it. I did the put by accident. Shit. See, that happens. That happens when you're shooting from the hip. That'll happen, man. Oh, my goodness. I just totally took a market order of Microsoft on the wrong trade. All right, hold on. Wow, that's fun. Maybe it'll work out, but that's not. That happens when you're rushing. Don't rush. All right, this is my entry on Microsoft. I just got in. Damn. I got to go fix this. I got to get out of this put that I just placed. Give me a second. Sometimes that happens, man. Microsoft 500 29th call right here at $11. That's why it was the wrong price. Now, this is today, August 22nd at 10:44 a.m. Let's go fix my mistake really quick. Yeah, my call's up, my put's down, of course. Of course, the trade I took by mistake. All right, I'm selling all of these. 7 contracts. And I'm selling them at a fucking loss, man. Damn it. Whatever. That's the problem when you shoot from the hip like me. Like I said, I'm not an experienced trader. I'm just a guy. All right, we're in Microsoft. Okay, cool. So we're in Microsoft now. Not a lot of movement here yet. Close the trade. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, Microsoft's already crushing. Here's where I'm at right now. I mean, it's not crushing, right? But it's right here. It's teetering into this bullish zone. Let's go Microsoft. It's $500 call, and I accidentally did the put. I closed out of it. I'm out of the put now. But this is where I'm at right now. 63 bucks. Yes, yes. There we go. Now it's moving. Now we're moving. Now we're trucking along. Microsoft is crushing. That's why I use TRADEGPT. Even if I'm gonna. Now it's moving, boys. Microsoft is crushing. Yeah, sick. This is dope. Now we're making some noise. If you guys are just tuning in, welcome. All right, let's keep this pushing. Let's keep it pushing. We just hopped in. If you guys didn't see me enter Microsoft, I'll go and show my entry again. I just placed it a couple minutes ago. Microsoft I placed at 10:44. It's 10:48 4 minutes ago. I'm already at 200 and damn, I'm at 400 bucks now. Here we go. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Nvidia might be shooting me in the foot, but that's what happens. That's what happens. Microsoft is crushing. Microsoft is crushing. This is why I use AI that scans through the stock market. How are we doing over there, George? You playing ball or what? He's friends with Sultan. Did my Felix? Hey brother, where's Felix? Sultan, Felix. Microsoft is ripping. Bang! Yes, let's go. Let's go. I'm at almost 5% on this. That's what we do. That's what we do around here. The trade algo content creation team is they'll follow along with these trades too. So Microsoft 495 in profit, 4.61%, 10 grand down, worth 11 now. 10,737 to 11,232 up. We're having fun. 5%, almost $600 now. Let's post the update. This is what we do, man. This is what we do. I'll show you guys Nvidia. Nvidia I'm at a loss on right now. Cuz I did the put. I can't blame myself, man. I can't take credit for my wins. This is where we're doing. This is where we're at. Bang. I've been holding MSTU since December 24, down 24%. Don't me ask me anything right now. I'm just here to learn. I suck at trading. Okay, yeah, man. That blows, buddy. I'm sorry that's happening to you. You know, I think Trade Algo's sales department might be hiring. There we go. Now we're talking. I just hit $600 on Microsoft. We're gonna hit our 1,000, but I am gonna lose money on this Nvidia trade, man. I'm about to get stopped out on Nvidia, but it's okay. Felix referred me. Okay, who's Felix? Who is Felix? Who is Felix? All right. Bing bong. $603. The put or the call? I did. TRADEGPT gave me a put, and I'm not getting crushed. I'm only down 2%, but I'm cooking on Microsoft right now. My entry was it's definitely doing way better than I thought it would. I haven't stopped out yet. I'm gonna keep the trade going because it's just the nature of the stream. But let's have some fun here. Yeah, Microsoft is cooking, man. 6%. Damn. Let's go. 630 now. 630. We're gonna hit this 1,000 from this Microsoft trade. Watch. All I need is 10%. Look at the sky. Bang, here we go. 630 now. 630. 630. What is this question? Yes, sir. 587. I'm in a new chair today, so I'm a little bit lower than I'm used to. I gotta figure out how to navigate with this new chair, but we're feeling great. Microsoft just went down a little bit, but we're good. What's going on, guys? What are we doing? We playing ball today or what? Kyle, we playing ball? What are you doing, Kyle? Where's my Indian community? Where's the Indian community at? Microsoft is taking a hit. It's okay though. It's okay. I'm Hindu. Microsoft is down a little bit. That's okay. That's what happens. It's moving. It's moving. I should turn on a second by second chart on the stream, but it breaks my taboo of not wanting to look at any charts. Made 45 bucks on Microsoft, jumped out. Yeah, John, you are playing the game today, man. You are on it. Are you just waiting at the mechanic shop right now? While you make these trades? Oh, they won't do the windshield, so I'm back at home. Okay, yeah. So you're playing ball today. What do you would you put? I mean, did you grab this 500? This call? Maybe the video pool will actually do some damage. You did the 500, nice. We might see a big jump on this. I'm not telling you to get back in by any means. You grab your cash, get out. But you know, I gotta keep my dancing shoes on. I don't have the luxury, right? I got eyes on me now, so I gotta play ball, play ball and commit. No speaking from Trump yet. That's where we see market movement, man. George asks John. George asks John Ellison, dinner on you tonight. Dinner's on John tonight. John's gonna fly out to New York. I'll check the book map. John's checking the book map. John's not buying you steak and lobster, man. George is gonna buy John steak and lobster. Here we go. Microsoft's starting to make a comeback. That's what we want. Sky, you know, baby, the sky, you know. All right. Let's have fun here. Microsoft is cooking again. Let's go. Microsoft is cooking again. You know what? I'm gonna pull up a chart. I never do this, but I'm gonna pull up a chart. This is what we do, man. What was my entry? I'll show you guys my entry. Microsoft entry was 1044. This is at 1045. So we caught this tiny little blip, and then we're going to catch it again. Bing bong. Now we're cooking. Let's go. Let's go. Sweet. Yeah, let's keep crushing, man. Let's keep crushing. This guy, you know. We're doing our thing right now. Checking Microsoft. It's moving. I mean, it's just bouncing around. Microsoft resistance at 51, 510 bucks. Yeah. Well, we could break resistance. This is 5 day. Yeah, I mean it's due for at least a little bit of action. This is 1 month. I use Google Charts on a line graph. I don't use candlesticks, man. Let's keep this going. Is Trump speaking yet? Nope, he's not. This dude takes his sweet ass time, man. He's visiting the People's House, an immersive museum exhibit in the White House. Cool. Cool. I would love 10% on Microsoft. I would love a 10% return on Microsoft.
I would love Microsoft to go to $11 today. That would be beautiful. Another dollar would be beautiful.
If we get 511 is money time, but it's bouncing. It's bouncing. People who are watching Microsoft right now can see. I mean, we just dropped to a 509.75. Where's my Nvidia put at? What are these tech heads doing? Yeah, Microsoft and Nvidia are on two completely different pages. What would I rate the city of Baltimore on a scale of 1 to 10? I would rate it a 100. Entry was 1193 on Microsoft. It's man. We're not getting too much action here. 5970. We're getting a little bit more. We're having a little bit more fun here. I should have just grabbed my 6 and then taken another trade for that other $400, but it's all good. Here we go. Now Microsoft is talking. Let's go. Let's go. Back to 510. In this club. It's barely. It's having such a hard time breaking 510. No shorting or sharding today, George. Oh man, we're still at. I mean, I'm still at a profit right now, but it's just not wanting to get past 510 or even 510.50. Here we go. Yeah, back to 59.97. We'll keep. I mean, we're keeping it. We were at 510.57 and I was at a 6% return. So let's like put our hands up in the air and just visualize Microsoft doing something productive. No, I don't play that like that, man. I play ball with what I'm dealt, and I'm dealt whatever TRADEGPT gives me. We got John making money on being a smart trader. We got George making money today. I don't know if Eric G is making money. If anyone's in here from Instagram, what's up? It broke to 510? It's going up. Let's see. 510 flat. Like my words are falling on deaf ears. I asked you the difference between a. Let's ask TRADEGPT. I can barely hear you. Oh shit. Is that better? Is that better? That should be better. Okay. What is the difference between a short and a short in options trading? I don't know. I mean, I feel like these aren't real words, bro. These aren't real words. This is not a real word, and this is not a real word. Yeah. So you might be referring to short and straddle. I'm not even going to break down this definition because I'm too locked in on Microsoft. Here we go. No, that's not it. Here we go. Approaching 5150. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I see it. It's just I'm not going to beat this.
That's the boy we had to break.
Yeah, we're at We broke 55.50.
Almost. It's trying to.
Someone in the stream with a large bankroll, go buy $51 million worth of Microsoft. No, I'm just kidding. Someone emailed George Soros. I'm at 520. 5% return right now. $580. Okay, 558. $558. Here we go. Now we're here we go. Let's go. Come on. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Give me a little bit more action. Give me a little bit more action. Give me a little bit more action on Microsoft, man. 558. Back. Come on, give me 511, man. 511 and I'm 511 and I'm taking my shirt off. Oh, can you guys see this when I pull this up on the screen like this? I keep pulling up the Microsoft chart, but if you guys can't see it, it defeats the purpose. Shirt off at 511. Yeah, if this hits 511, I'm taking my shirt off. Oh my god. Okay, come on, give me something. Let's go. 648. Finally broke 6% return. I just need a 562. Okay. Come on. You guys can see how much of a degenerate I am now. You guys can see how much of a degenerate I am. Hey, is my audio fixed now, George? How do you get any sleep? Bro, I get great sleep. I just I trade 1 hour a day. Okay, cool. I should just back my mic up for all of the twitching I do. Okay, and then I'll turn the... Okay, yeah, cool. You guys can definitely hear my music in my office, but that's perfectly fine. What's Microsoft at? 510.50. We want 511. We want 511. That's what we want. What's the difference between golden hour and a golden shower? That's crazy, bro. When you lean away, it gets quiet. Okay, I have to, like, figure out the mic situation. All right. All right, man. It's bouncing, bro. This thing is freaking bouncing around. I need 510 or 511 on Microsoft. Give me 511. Where's George Soros at, man? I need him to place $100 trillion order on Microsoft. Hey Paul, what's the difference between golden hour and golden shower? A golden hour is the last hour of trading. What's going on here? 510.33. Give me 511 on Microsoft. Yeah, buyers lining up at 510. You know what I can do? You know what I can do that's just insane that I don't do it? I can use tradealgo.com. That's what I can use. I can use tradealgo.com in a situation like this. And I don't like to do this because this is the paid tool, but I will use it. And we can go through this. You can trim if you want to. LOL. George, I'm not trimming anything, bro. That's a nerdy thing to do, man. That's a really nerdy thing to do. AI's labeling it as bearish. It's not the best thing in the world, but if TradeGPT is telling me to lock in, I'm locking in. We can check these live options. So I want to show you guys what I do here. So I go here, and then what I would do is John, you can kind of watch this too because you have access to the system. I'm gonna set all orders over, like we'll do like 487 just to kind of weed out a bunch of them, and then we're gonna set our expiration date to today. We'll do 1 day. And then we'll do, actually that's not going to be relevant. We'll do 30 days. And then, yeah, this is bullish. This is what I want to see. And then my minimum premium, like I can set at whatever, but I can go through here. I can see these massive orders coming through on Microsoft. I can also go down here and see the prints on Microsoft. So we see these massive transactions coming in. I mean, as of the last like 3 minutes ago, $10 million, $11 million. These are all transactions happening through dark pool exchanges on Microsoft. We're gonna switch this to a 1 minute. 5-10-40, and I'm breaking my biggest rule right now. I'm not supposed to look at charts. I'm not gonna draw any support and resistance lines, but we're seeing some action here. 5-10-59. Okay, come on, just 40 more cents. 40 more cents. 40 more cents on Microsoft. George, when did you start giving me actual trading advice, bro? I missed it when you were just when you just would not give me real advice. That's what I want. I don't want you to give me real advice. Let me be a degenerate. I never gave you advice. You can trim it if you want to. What's the deal? What's the deal? 28 cents. When I say 28, I'm talking about the cents on Microsoft. I'm waiting. I needed to hit 511. Yeah, we got a little bit of a drop. That's okay. Do you guys know what tool I'm using? I'm not using ChatGPT to do this. I'm using TradeGPT. There's a big difference. Well, I guess I can calm myself down by going and explaining the difference between TradeGPT and ChatGPT. Five, 10, 08. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm about to lose my ass. It's okay, though. I should sell. I really should sell. Here we go. There we go. Nope. $511. 511. 511. 510.41. 510.36. Oh my gosh, I'm bouncing, bro. I mean, I'm still at a profit on the trade, but it's bouncing between 3% and 5%. Oh, okay. Let's figure this out. Let's have a drink of water. And the question is, do I take another trade? That's the real question. Do I take another trade? I don't know. I don't know if I take another trade. The analytics on the stream are gas, though. We've had over, like, I mean, anything over 5 people for me is amazing. And then we've had 214 people tune in. 1037. Come on, man. Come on. I have a good feeling. Am I asking for an all-time high? No. I'm not even asking for an all-time high, man. I'm just asking for just basic shit. Just a basic... Oh, my God. Wow. Nice. Sick. Super sick. Now I'm getting now it's starting to get crushed. I'm at a 1% return, so I'm still up $108. And my manager of content creation's out. How'd you make 111%? Oh, yesterday. You got in. You got in on Microsoft yesterday.
I bought Microsoft yesterday. But I really didn't make 111% on Microsoft.
Dude, I don't know. I need to fix this.
I really only made 19% total return on Microsoft. I should have waited to buy it yesterday after right before the Microsoft.
Gotcha. I have people following my trades making 100%, and then I have people making. I have me that goes in and like an idiot does market orders, and I get crushed. That's why shooting from the hip doesn't always work. Ugh, whatever. Yeah, nice. Microsoft's at 509.40. I should have just closed out. It's all good. This has been fun, though. I'm having fun. Regardless. Even if I lose $100, I'm having fun. You're back at 11.75. You're back in the trade. Did you grab it? Did you grab? You re-entered. All right, nice. I'm hoping for more than that. I've drank in my water and my Celsius. I'm out of fluids. Now all I have is nicotine and anxiety. George telling me to trim is hilarious. What's that? 1160. So you're down a little bit right now, John. My mom is texting me to calm down. Sure, bro. I'm down on this position right now. 5 on 932. God. If you guys are hopping in, welcome. You guys are just hopping in, welcome, welcome. I should have trimmed. I should have taken a trim. This is way too aggressive. Oh, man, it's coming back though. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. We're gonna see. I'm gonna get some action here. I already know it. We're gonna hit 511. What are we doing? How are we doing, John? I mean, you're only 5 cents off your mark. You're probably down less than 1%. This might be the action for today. I killed it yesterday, man. I killed it yesterday. I did $6,000 on Cracker Barrel, dude. $6,000 on Cracker Barrel yesterday, just for me to get pummeled today. Manuel, you in here? I don't know if Manuel's in here. Stepping away for a break. Hello. Yeah, might be time for some coffee. Made $27,000 in the last 14 days. I'm not too mad about losing 300. $27,000. That's insane, dude. And it was like a big part of it was Cracker Barrel. Surprisingly. Cracker Barrel and Nvidia, those were my 2 big winners. And then I had a bunch of other ones. I did Target. I made a rack. I made 1,000. XOM. I did on stream. I made 1,000. COP. I made 1,000. I made 19%, 21% on XOM. 19% on COP. 21% on XOM. UAL. I lost 11% on Google. UAL. I did another 34%. That was 2,181. UUU. I did 6% profit. I did $60. EVOK was my big boy. I did. I put $16,000 on EVOK Pharmaceuticals. I did an 86% return. I made $14,000. That one was wild. Today I'm up. Like technically for my trades yesterday, I'm up $12,000. But from today, the trades I've taken, Microsoft is I'm getting cooked here on Microsoft, bro. I might end stream soon. Microsoft isn't moving. If you guys take the trades I take, post your entry. Yeah, 11:10. Yeah, it might be time to get some coffee like John. Oh man, I love when you just get. I love when Microsoft just goes the opposite direction. What's funny is I got in right here, and then I wrote it to like here, and then and now it's here. Whatever, bro. Whatever. It happens. Wow, 508. Sick. Maybe I should have taken that freaking put. If you guys were here earlier in the stream, I accidentally took a put on Microsoft. Oh man, this is dog ass. Okay. All right. I shouldn't end stream. I should be resilient. I should stick around, see it through. I have a feeling this is gonna do really good though. I just need like 30 more seconds. And this is gonna start to move. You can see where I'm at here. I mean, it's not like I'm not making money. If you guys have been watching my stream, this is the last 5 days. I'm not going to show you my actual brokerage size. You guys can do the math if you want. I have a little bit over 200K in this account. So I'm crushing. It's just what's the deal today on micro? All right, here we go. Now I'm starting. We're getting a little bit of bounce back. What's the deal? What's the deal? What's Microsoft up to? Here we go. Now we're talking. No, we're not. Never mind. Oh, dude, this makes me nauseous, bro. Even though I'm making so much money that, it's crazy that a 3% loss can mess with my head so much. This is where I was at initially. Whatever, dude. Whatever, bro. Whatever. It's cool. It's cool. I might lose my shirt here, but it's fine. Okay. Looks like stream's kind of dying out a little bit. We'll go ahead and wrap up. It's been an hour, 8 minutes. This has been fun. We'll go ahead and wrap up here. So you guys are, this has been fun. You guys are awesome. We're going to wrap up. Whatever, dude. Microsoft 5879, 5848. Been on a coffee break. Did Microsoft hit the target? No, it didn't, bro. Look at where we're at. Microsoft's at $508. It's just enough. I've made just enough money this week though, to that I don't give a crap about this. I mean, I'm probably gonna get stopped out, but it is what it is, bro. I should have taken profit here. Whatever. All right, man. We're done. Any questions before I end stream? Any questions before I go ahead and wrap this up. Whatever, dude. All right. Peace.